everyone, I'm here picking serviceberries at a public library in Columbus, Ohio. Serviceberries, or June berries, they are the Amelanchier genus, and they are commonly used as landscaping plants, especially in Columbus, Ohio. We see them at pretty much all of the public libraries and most of the municipal buildings. Today is May 29th, and right on schedule we have these berries ripening just before the 1st of June. The serviceberries on the tree at this time of year range from small and green, which are the unripe berries, to a pretty dark purple, almost as deep in color as a blueberry, but a tinge of pink instead of a tinge of blue. And you're going for the dark berries. Those are the ripest ones. Those will have the most sugars. They're the sweetest. They're so delicious. It's almost like the texture of a blueberry with a little bit of apple, and the seeds, which are small seeds that are edible inside, have an almond quality to them. It's just a really delicious fruit, pretty common as a landscaping tree. And if you don't see them around your city, try going to a nursery and seeing if they have any fruit on the trees there.
Here's a serviceberry. Here am I. What's going to happen next? Wanted me to do something.